Hello. Welcome to the CNAS Advising Guide for a virtual drop-in advising session with your academic advisor. Finding your academic advisor. To begin, you will need to know who your academic advisor is. They could be found on your rweb.ucr.edu student profile under Advisors, Primary or Major Advisor. To enter virtual drop-in hours, navigate to myadvising.ucr.edu. Sign in if you have not already. Your academic advisor's availability. Fill in the search criterion to see your advisor's availability and to subsequently join the drop-in queue. For please select a center, indicate academic advising. For consultant, choose your academic advisor. Today, we are choosing Trejo Mario as our example. Then, choose a time range and date range. We recommend keeping the time range from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and the date range Monday to Friday to see your advisor's full availability. Press Search. The academic advisor's availability will populate the screen. Blue or cyan fields indicate drop-in hours noted. Signing in to drop-in hours. To sign in to a drop-in hour, you will need to come back 10 minutes before the session begins. At that point, you will notice the availability has turned yellow, which indicates that you will be able to sign in for drop-in hours. Drop-in hours turn yellow once they commence, approximately 10 minutes before each hour the academic advisor is scheduled. Once the appointment is yellow, fill in the indicated fields. Reason is a drop-down list. Then, type in your phone number, as well as any notes if needed. Press Save. Where to join Zoom link. There will be a confirmation message sent from CNAS SAAO@ucr.edu with your name, appointment details, and a link to myadvising.ucr.edu. Enter the link, where you will see an upcoming appointment. Join the Zoom via the field labeled Enter Online Appointment. Once you join the Zoom meeting, you will be called to drop in with your advisor in the order that you signed in. Thank you for watching CNAS Undergraduate Academic Advising Center's virtual drop-in session tutorial.